Hi guys, welcome. And today we will not doing a makeup tutorial. We will be doing an unboxing, swatching of the one and only Charlotte Tilbury. Why I talk like that? I have this product I think more than a month now. This is really a dream come true for me for this brand, luxury wise, because Charlotte Tilbury is one of the luxury line of makeup. Makeup for me is like food, like you want to try a little bit of everything. That's what I feel. I don't know, it's just how I feel. So I want to try one foundation, one primer, one palette, one bronzer. I just want to do that. And okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is the box. Okay. Oh. Okay, that's the box, and I will be opening it now. And here's the product. There you go. Allah. There you go. So I think the only thing that I did not get is the cream, the Charlotte Magic Cream Light, because I think this is too much for me. This is too expensive for me. So I was like, you know what? That one I can pass. The review of this product, I mean this cream right here, is amazing. So I'm really hoping to grab the whole bottle, but not now. It's very, very, very tough right now, so I can pass that. When you receive a notification from Charlotte Tilbury, you will think that she is the one who's talking. When you read the notification, like it says darling, you can just read it like darling. But because it's Charlotte, I always think that she is the one who's saying it, like darling. Darling, here's a few tips for you to do your makeup. Just fun. Okay, so so let me start with the eyebrow pencil. This is the eyebrow pencil, like right here, and this is the sharpener. And look at that logo. Okay, and here you go. Let me try. But yeah, oh, so that's it. Okay, now let me try it here. My hand. Oh wow. Oh. Tool. This is not fair. This is not fair. Naputol talaga. This is not really fun. Why? I did not even shake this. Why it's broken? So they send me the broken one? Like it's really broken. Look at that. Oh my god. That's so disappointing. I wanna return it, but how am I gonna return this? Well, that's disappointing. Well, anyway, let me swatch it. It's like light brown, and it's not that creamy. So if the eyebrow is creamy, you intended to put too much product on your eyebrows, and you have to blend it properly, you have to clean it properly. But if it's like a little bit hard, like this one, I think that's good if you like using pencil eyebrow. Oh man, just disappointed that this is broken. Just so disappointed. Oh man. Okay, well, that's a bummer. And next is the Beauty Light Wand Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand. This is the highlighter, I think. This is the highlighter. The reviews is just amazing. So every time you think of Charlotte Tilbury, you will be thinking of the Pillow Talk concealer. This is the Pillow Talk Beauty Highlighter Wand. So this is the famous pillow top. There is a on and off in here. So I'm gonna put it to on and let me try. So I think I have to press this. Oh, I think I see it. I think I see it. That's how the highlight is. I think that's good. Right? Let's see. I'm gonna try it on my face a little bit. I think I don't have that much highlight now. Oh, okay. Not that bad actually. It's like soft highlight, and it's not that well, it's creamy, but it's not, it's blendable too. Like I can really spread it in my hand. Okay, wow, look at that highlight. I don't really have like too much highlight now, so let me try it. Oh, okay. Now we're talking. Look. My goodness. I think so. This is the one, the contour one, Hollywood contour one. So this is the one. I just like their box. I just like their box, the color. Oh my god. So again, okay, let me open it. Again, it looks like this again, which is, I think it's good. Wow, that is nice color actually. Look, oh my god, it's good. Like I just want to try it on just like now. This is how it look like. This is the eyeliner. This is the pillow talk eyeliner. This is they also have a good review in this one. Look at this is look like. This is the eyeliner. Oh my god. I tried like powder eyeshadow to make it as an eyeliner. I haven't tried this kind of eyeliner, and I'm so excited to try it on. And look at that color. Okay, now let's move on to the Pillow Talk Collagen lip bath. Ayan, let's open this. Ooh, oh, look at that. Ooh, my god, look at that color. I love this color. Oh my god, it smells so good. I smell mint in here. Smell good to me. Okay, and here is how it looks like. Wow. Okay. Isn't that lovely, the color? Look at that. Okay, so this is the Full Fat Lashes 5-star mascara. I like this box. It look like actually like an actual box. So when you like press it like this, it's gonna be like a square box, or I mean rectangle box, but I just love it. Look. Okay, here you go, and this is the product. And of course it smells like mascara. Oh, that I just can't wait to try. Oh wow, this is so smooth. Oh, it's so smooth. Smooth. Okay. I just love how it looks like, how they like intentionally do this. Like it looks like a box when you press it this way, but it's actually not. Look how they did it. That's genius. Okay, let's go to the primer, and I'm just gonna blend it how it looks like. There is a little bit of fragrance, so it has radiance a little bit in it. Look at that. This is like super luxurious packaging for me. So that's how it looks like. That is really, really awesome. Okay, and now let's move on to the... Again, I love their packaging. I love that there is a little mirror in here. Look at that. There's a little mirror in here, and look at the packaging. Let me put it somewhere here. Okay, so that's the blush. Now let's move on to concealer. How do you do this? So that's the concealer here. I think it's light. So this is the famous Airbrush Flawless Foundation. This is just the best. And let me try on top of my hand. Let me try it somewhere here. So that's the foundation. It dry out so fast while I'm blending it, so I really don't know if that's a good sign. I'm not sure, because I feel like when you're blending it, it's not supposed like to dry out fast for you to be able to like blend it so well. So I really don't know, but look at that, it's so flawless. Oh man, there is a little fragrance in here. It's like perfume fragrance, but it's not too harsh. I really don't know if you can smell this while the foundation is on your face, so we'll see on that. And of course, you know, the packaging as well. I'm not surprised. This is really good packaging. So this is the Airbrush Bronzer, right? I have two. I usually select the product that I wanted based on how it looks like, based on the picture, like, oh, this bronzer is gonna be good for my skin because it's not too deep and not too light, so it's gonna be good. So this is what happened. When I got the product, I didn't like it because it's too light. So I will show you how light this is. Like, I just want to focus on this packaging, but look at that. This packaging is amazing. This looked like a shell to me, that it reminds me of the movie, the fairy tale movie, I think Ariel something, that she slipped on the shell under the sea. This is how it looks like. So this is the bronzer. I'm not sure if this is light, but let me swatch this. See, that's the bronzer. I cannot even see it. I mean the bronzer that I like is like you can see the color. I cannot even see. This is too light for me. But on the picture, it looks darker. So I decided to get another one. This is not... Do you think when you finish this, you're gonna throw this away? So I think this is refillable. Oh yeah, I think. So I think there's a hole in here that all you have to do is like push it and the product will come out. I mean the refill will come out. This is not even like dark. This is like light too. But at least it's better than the first one. The first bronzer that I've got, I can like give it away. I'm so excited about this. This is the Eyeshadow Palette. This is the Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette. Like, of course, again, I'm expecting this. Really. This is all, I think, all natural. So that's how it looks like when you swatch it. This is how they set the eyeshadow from 1 to 3 and another 1 to 3, and so on. So prime, enhance, and smoke. So this three, and this three. Now the last part, so the last three is here. So for this set, this is the prime, enhance, and smoke. So that's how they portion the palette. So it's really easy to use. I will definitely make time to make another video and to do a full face tutorial using only this product right here, and I am so excited. So stay tuned. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!